How's it going, guys? So for today's video we're going to be working on the front split installation for Corvette C7 from years 2014 and up with the ZR1 from bumper conversion from vicrez. Part number for the front splitter is vz102170, and the installation is fairly simple. It should take you anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes depending on your experience. The front splitter comes with all the hardware necessary to do the installation, as you guys can see here. And once again, installation fairly simple, as long as you have a little experience working with aftermarket parts. First step will be lift the car, just to make it easier on your end to be able to do the installation. And part number for the front bumper, in case you were wondering, is vz102170. And in case if you're wondering if we have them in stock, what do you guys think? Do we? So prior to mounting the front splitter, you want to use your existing front lip, as you guys can see here, and use that as a template to start drilling the holes where the front splitter is going to be mounted. And using the front lip, you just put it on top, lay it on top of the front splitter, and use that as a template, as you guys can see here. And we're just using some clamps to ensure that both the front lip and the front splitter stay in place, in order for us to be able to start marking the holes where we're going to start drilling the front splitter. Okay, so now that we're done marking the points where we're gonna start drilling, we're gonna go ahead and move forward with the drill bit to start drilling the holes in order for us to start attaching the front splitter onto the front lip. That's it. We're pretty much done drilling the holes, and now we're gonna go ahead and move on to attaching the front splitter onto the front lip, and then so on and so on until we are done. So as you guys can see, the installation is fairly easy. So we just use a pre-existing holes from your front lip to create the template. And now we're pretty much done drilling and attaching the bolts and nuts onto the front splitter. And as for the support rods, it's personal preference. I mean, it would definitely add extra support onto the front, but for this particular installation, we're just gonna leave it as is. But if the customer were to decide to add the front support rods, it will go on right on there, and just drill the holes and attach them onto the bumper. Fairly easy as well process. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and mount the support rods. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe onto our YouTube channel for more awesome content, and make sure to follow us on our social media as always.